Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the 2025 Hot Wheels Car Culture Team Transport E-Case. So this is Team Transport FLF56. This box was sent over to me from Stop Diecast. You can order your Stop Diecast cases, premium, mainline, all sorts of Hot Wheels on onestopdiecast.com. So this is 2025, first mix of 2025 for Team Transport. And in this mix, we're going to obviously, or in this case, we have 4 different releases. 1 should be a repeat and 3 new ones. So first one out of the case is the number 76 Team Transport. So we're into the high 70s already. The Lamborghini Reventon Roadster and the Flipsider Hauler. So we get kind of a luxury theme here with the obviously with the Reventon Roadster and this all black Flipsider Hauler. So this is only the second time we've seen the Flipsider Hauler, and the first time obviously was in the Liberty Walk scheme. So, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, is this the, no, that, okay, so there is only one of these per case. So you got the silver Lambo, right? Is it a matte paint job? It's just definitely, yeah, it's kind of like a satin silver. And then the all black hauler, which will definitely go with a lot of different car culture pieces. Obviously, it'll go with perfect with any of the black chase pieces from car culture. And look, there I am. Hey. And coming up next out of the case is actually the one I am most excited for. So, and it's cool to see that this comes two to a case. This is the number 74 Team Transport. You have the brand new 2023 Land Rover Defender 110. So, and you get kind of like a British theme here. Very British building in the background there with the Jaguar and the Land Rover. So you got the Jaguar MK1. This was a new casting that was designed in 2024, and we get the first premium release of it here in 2025. So nice vintage old race car pulled by a modern truck. So this is cool. We haven't seen this casting before, so it's not like the Toyota 4Runner, where we actually had the hitch added to the base. This is a brand new casting. We do see that rally trailer in black here reappear, though, with this casting. So that is number 74. We have 2 of those in the case. We have the Lambo. And last but not least is the number 75 Team Transport with the 1972 Toyota Corolla Levin and the Sakura Sprinter. So Sakura Sprinter has been around since the very first Team Transport mix in 2018, and the 1972 Toyota Corolla Levin, which was introduced by Hot Wheels just last year in JH4, right? Japan Historics 4 in car culture. So this is the second release of that casting. So you get kind of like a all yellow, kind of a vintage Toyota look, right? With the red, orange, and yellow striping on the bottom. So very nondescript though, very subtle. But again, another hauler that is kind of like, you know, on the plain side or clean side, could go with anything, you know, yellow or Toyota really. And then another great release of the 11 here. The other one is, this one's kind of more race inspired, but this one definitely looks great with the roundel, the number 72 there, and the front detail there. So that one comes out the back of the Sakura Sprinter. So, very short unboxing here. That is the E-Case sent to me from One Stop Diecast. Check out onestopdiecast.com and order your case of Team Transport. And also, let's talk in the comments. Let's see which one of these is your favorite. We have 3 different unique releases here. Let me know which one is your favorite. I told you mine. Let's talk in the comments.